Hi guys, it's Nikki and welcome to this week's new release video. It's been a minute since I've done one of these, but I want to get back into doing them again. Also, I've mentioned this on Instagram, but I do have vlog footage. I do have Plan With Me's that need to get edited and uploaded. I have just been very busy with UPS, and then I had a big anatomy test this past week or maybe it was the week before at this point, but either way. So I've been just super busy with all of that, so I haven't had time to edit anything, but it's coming. So I want to show you guys this week's new releases. We do have 35% off new releases in the shop, anything in that section. I did leave last week's up as well in case you missed them. No code is needed. That discount will just apply in cart. So for this week, we've got two new collections. We have Tinsel and then Snuggle, and I'm super excited about both of these. Christmas is my favorite to design for, so that's one reason I do so many holiday collections. But let's get started with the Tinsel collection. This one does have full box add-ons. And I'm hoping my lighting's okay. I'm trying out something new here. Also, my camera battery is gonna die. I'm trying to decide if I should go ahead and charge. You know what? I am. I will be right back. Okay, we should be good now. So I've got the Tinsel collection here. It does have some add-on box options. So we've got a blonde girl with light colored skin. We have a dark-haired girl with darker skin, light-skinned girl with darker hair, medium skin tone with darker hair, and then light-skinned with red hair. So those are available as an add-on option, and I don't know, this whole collection, I'm sorry for my phone, I am so in love with. I don't normally design this way, or I should say I haven't in a really long time because I was so used to doing foil, and any of these style of clip arts where it's like I'm really going in and like putting things together, it doesn't work very well with foil, which is why I've not done it in so long. But since we're doing matte removable now, I wanted to do some in this style because I do really love them. I do have two other collections very similar to this that will be coming out, I believe, next weekend, I want to say. I think so. I think I'm going to do a release next weekend. So those are the full boxes. So I love that there is a grandmother here. We've got this girl taking a selfie, this super cute sweater with the fireplace in the background, and then the hands opening the present, and there is the decorations in the background as well as some more presents. So those are the full box add-ons. And then these are your full boxes. I love this so much. So super cute. We've got come in and cozy up, and she's got her little coffee. You've got some holiday cards, sweaters and presents, some wrapping paper and presents, the Christmas ornaments and presents, gingerbread cookies, the plates, the fireplace scene. I just love this collection so much. I'm really excited to be able to start using like winter and holiday collections, which seems ridiculous because it's just now fall. But yeah, so you've got your second sheet here, which has all of your half boxes. You have some layering pieces as well. And then your third sheet has got your bill due, work labels. You've got some more half boxes, some of these 3-circle checklist. You've got daily tracker, weekly tracker, a couple of more boxes at the bottom. And then you've got all of your headers down the side. So you've got a pattern header, a solid header, and then these down here that have some text on them. So to do, top 3, to buy, to go this week, next week, and dinners. And then your next sheet is your bottom washi, your date covers. You've got another tracker here, and then another set of weekly trackers. So I just realized when going through this that all of those are there. I've done a couple of different updates to this format lately, and something didn't, like this is the new sheet right here. This didn't get changed into the newer version of the sheet. Yeah. Oops. Okay, so next week I'll have to get that fixed. I'm pretty sure that the difference was this is just a checkbox, and then this just has like flags or something. I didn't realize that I had done that. So anyway, this is your last sheet. So you've got your bottom washi here, and I love how this looks as well. I love doing this style of bottom washi where I'm not worrying about foil. So these, if I can pick stuff up, these sheets right here, these 4, this is the mini kit. So you do have the option to do either the mini kit, which is the 4 sheets, or the deluxe version of the kit, which also includes these 2 sheets. So with these two, you've got some heart checklist, you've got a ton of icons, you've got scripts and script icons. My favorite sticker is this currently reading sticker down here at the bottom. Let me know in the comments what you're currently reading, especially if it's something spooky. I love reading, well, I read a lot of like spooky and horror books anyway, but especially in October. So let me know. Anyway, that is your 5th sheet, and then your 6th sheet here has got labels, boxes. These are essentially little things that just don't have anything in them, so you can put whatever you want as far as an icon in there. And then you've got your washi strips down at the bottom. So the 6 pages is your deluxe version of the kit right here. The add-on boxes are just, there's a separate listing so that you can select the skin tone and hair color. And then we've got your deco right here. So this is the deco sheet. This is also just available a la carte on the website. I find that the easiest way for me to do things like this when it involves skin tone especially, it's just a lot easier to not include those in the actual kit and instead to add them on as just a little add-on sheet. So deco here, and then we have got the Hobonichi cousin version of the kit. I'm sorry for Aspen crying. So that is a 2-sheet kit right here. So honey, you're okay. You've got some layering boxes, your full boxes here, half boxes or quarter boxes. I don't think these are technically half boxes. You've got your date covers right here. You've got some layering items, your washi, a weekly tracker, a checkbox, daily trackers, and then this is your headers right here. What was I gonna mention? Oh, for the deluxe and the mini kits, we do also have an ombre heart checklist available. That's in the drop-down box. So that was the Tinsel collection, and next I'm going to move on to the Snuggle collection. I love this so much. I love the colors, just everything about this. So I'm gonna go through this one a little bit more quickly. I have not done a new release video where I kind of showed the updated format, so I wanted to do that a little bit slower on the first one. This box right here, look at that. I love that so much. Okay, so you've got the puppy, the fireplace, you've got a snow globe, the tree. I love these scenes right here. I've been doing a lot of scenes lately in these style of kits because I just think it looks so pretty. You've got a snowman, and then your stocking, that is your full box sheet. You do have some more boxes down at the bottom. Second sheet, you have got your, sorry, I'm trying not to make such a mess. You've got your layering as well as your half boxes. These do have some florals within them, a little snowflake right there. Next, you've got your bill dues, some more half boxes. You've got all of your trackers as well as your headers. And then your next sheet has got your bottom washi, date covers, and then again, the trackers. I need to check that though. I am obsessed with this washi right here. I think it is so beautiful, especially like when you look at it with the full boxes, because I didn't do florals in the full boxes. So I think it looks super pretty. And then we do have the florals in the deco, which I'll show you guys in just a second. So your next sheet is your deluxe version. So you've got all of your icons. And then the last sheet, if you do the deluxe version, you have got your washi, labels, appointment labels up top, as well as some extra boxes. And then here is the deco for that kit. I love this deco. So you've got some of the scenes still, and then a bunch of florals, as well as just some of the other items that are in the collection, as well as some that aren't, that I couldn't fit everything. I love this deco sheet. I think that is so beautiful. And then you've got your Hobonichi cousin collection, or kit, I should say, which is this right here. So yeah, I keep getting my nail polish on things. This is why I don't paint my nails. So anyway, that is this week's new releases. I hope you guys love them. They are available in the shop right now. And like I said, we are doing 35% off of new releases. These collections are in there, as well as the ones from last weekend. I left those up, so you could do the 35% off of those as well. No code is needed. That discount will just apply in the cart. If you liked this week's new releases, please give this video a thumbs up, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye guys.